Starting amazing artwork like this was really fun. Every stroke and every shade was very important. I actually enjoy this type of artwork, you understand? So this is pastel. So are you struggling with pastel, or you want to do a pastel or learn pastel and you're having any difficulties? I present to you this channel. Subscribe and stay tuned for more, because basically this is what I do here. I focus on pastel portrait painting. So subscribe and stay tuned for more, because as we go deep into the artwork, so as you can see, like I always said, basically my choice of color, why making every portrait, is I use darker brown, yellow and orange, then white. You understand? These colors enable me to get any effect on the face. So as you can see from the dark side, I use brown, orange and lighter, white, to graduate it to the darker and bring the reflection on the face, those highlights on the face. So as you can see how we come about this beautiful drawing of this lady. So I was just working on the background, as you can see on the face. So don't just study the artwork, be comparing the artwork and the reference of the picture, you understand? So these are the background. I choose sky blue and navy blue on the background because it's enable me to have a brighter background, you understand? So this is about that. I'm going to drop my link in the comment section. If you want to learn pastel or any type of art, I'm open for commission jobs. If you want to take your art to the next level, this is what we do here. So if you have anybody that's interested in learning art, it's not about painting alone. I do both pastel, painting and charcoal pencil. So if you watch it now, help me share it. See you on my next video. Thank you. I'm out.
Stand